all doing fine? Welcome back and thank you so much guys for tuning in. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you easy recipe. This juice here has all natural ingredients which can help you burn belly fat. These are the ingredients: ginger, lemon, cucumber and pineapples. So let's just get straight into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll go ahead and slice this cucumber into smaller pieces, and as I do that, I'll mention a few benefits of cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fibers, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. I'm going to set this on aside, cut the lemon into 2 halves and then extract the juice from it. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C and also contains loads of antioxidants which helps to boost the immune system. And our last ingredient is ginger. I'm going to cut a small piece from it and then peel it off. Ginger promotes proper regulation of blood sugars and reduces bad cholesterol. I'll go ahead and cut the ginger into smaller pieces for easier blending. I'm going to combine all the other remaining ingredients into the blender. Pineapples are rich in enzymes and antioxidants which help to boost the immune system. I'll pour in the lemon into the blender and add a little water, then blend all the ingredients together. Our fat burning drink is ready. Don't sieve the juice, just take it like that. Or if you don't like it pulpy, then you can sieve it. The choice is yours. But for me, I like taking it when it's like that. For body detox and cleansing, drink this juice in the morning on an empty stomach or in the afternoon, 30 minutes after you take your lunch, and in the evening before bedtime, usually at least for 7 days, 3 times in a day. Together with this detox juice, you can also add a 20-minute walk or time exercise to speeden up the weight loss journey. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty and health videos. I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Much love to you all. Bye.